I don't know. I think I'm very lucky. As far as this film goes, Jay had this idea, and he had the script, and he had the idea behind the film. और मैंने इन्हें कांटेक्ट किया था कुछ फिर आई थिंक 1-2 साल बात नहीं हुई इसके बारे में और फिर मैं अपने करियर के बारे में सोच रहा था और मैं सोच रहा था कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए और एक एज अप्रोप्रिएट रोल आई थिंक अ फादर वुड बी इंटरेस्टिंग बट अ काइंड ऑफ अ कूल एंड स्लाइटली डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फादर एंड एन इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट तो हम लोगों ने बात की and when Nitin ji and I met we were supposed to do another film for another production and we enjoyed talking to each other but वो film बनी नहीं तो हमें थोड़ा बुरा लगा और फिर जय ने कहा कि had signed Nitin I was very excited और जब हम सेट पे आए तो every scene that was written originally Nitin has directed on another level and I don't know what has happened but for some reason he became really commercial and kind of entertaining about the thing and he made us have such a good time and every day I would come he's saying I did it but I would come to set prepared with the scene that was written and he'd say yeah that's all good but what about this and we did some really interesting things and it was such a pleasure working with him and the most special experience that has made it easy for me was working with this brilliant girl here because she I don't know. I think it's a new generation thing. They're so prepared compared to us when we started. Like, I felt like I was working with the best I've ever worked with. I mean, like, I've worked with Shah Rukh Khan, and it's been, like, amazing. I felt the same energy with her. I'm telling you, it was unbelievable. Like, the best ever. Nothing. We've done a 6-minute scene in one shot. No problem from her side. It's been incredible. Chomu.
Do you
That's
believe
what
in that?
Of course I don't believe in that. I love children, I love my family. But I like playing characters I don't really believe in.
I think I was. Jackie's
My sister's nervous.
I'm not used to being. But I'm very overwhelmed with the response. और इतना अच्छा reaction मिला है and you know with everybody, I mean इतने messages, इतने calls, whether poster को लेके हर एक property जो हमने launch की है, we've got an amazing reaction and I'm very thrilled to be part of this.
I'm just very flattered. I was standing here getting very emotional. I was like trying to hold myself together. Thank you so much, Saif sir. It means a lot coming from you. I was only able to give my best because I was surrounded by people that enabled me to give my best. I could have never done it with, every day was just so much fun. Like everyone is saying, it really was. I was like, is this what shooting a film is like? It's because, I don't know. Every day I came back to my room and I just felt so rewarded and so happy and so content with what I've done. And I'm just grateful I got to do it with such talented people and learn so much on my way.
जवानी शायद कब की ढल गई थी यार बट नहीं मुझे डर नहीं लगता बिल्कुल इनफैक्ट आई डोंट हैव दीज इश्यूज मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं I think, you know, if you're young at heart, if you feel good, it's fine. I don't even really want to be very young. I mean, I don't want to be old, but, you know, I'm happy, you know. I mean, I'm clear in my life. लोग बोलते हैं ऐसे कपड़े पहनो तो आप young लगोगे, आप ऐसे बाल कटवाओ तो आप young लगोगे. मुझे ज़्यादा young लगने का कभी वो pressure है ही नहीं. जब तक काम मिलता है मिलता रहेगा जब हम रिटायर करेंगे तो रिटायर हो जाएंगे चिल करेंगे यू शुड नो हाउ टू लिव आई लाइक दिस नाइस हिंदू आइडिया ऑफ एक टाइम होता है व्हेन यू शुड ट्राई एंड मेक मनी एक टाइम होता है व्हेन यू शुड रिलैक्स यू नो देयर इज अ टाइम फॉर एवरीथिंग इन लाइफ and when that comes I'll find other things to do and I'll be very happy. I have no issues with getting older. I look forward to it.
मैं ये कहूँगा कि इस फिल्म को हमने नहीं इस फिल्म ने हमें चुना है and we are very very happy कि I am a huge fan of Saif Ali Khan, right? So I'm just very very happy that I'm a part of this film.
And I have to say one thing.
We are also happy. Sorry that you're part of this film.
And when he saw Junne Mere Dil Lutya, all he kept saying is, "This is the Saif Ali Khan. I'm a big fan."
Not at all. Sara's extremely successful and very good at what she does. And so being pitted against her is a great thing. You know, your own... I don't know, it was my good luck I got this film. I'm very grateful. And I can't imagine having any other film for my first film. So that's all.
You know, that's the thing. I think he had asked me that. I didn't answer it. The thing to find something different somehow, you know. And it's all about the director and about the writing. So we were also conscious we can't do the same thing. It looks like the same thing that is kind of a Playboy. But it's quite a slightly sad character in the sense that, you know, he's stuck somewhere. So this film is about acceptance. It's about accepting a certain age and responsibility. You don't even know. Actually, people don't realize when they get a little older. Suddenly, you know, the world has changed. And it's a moment where you realize that, you know, it's no longer right for you to be in the nightclub doing these kind of things. So I think it's really well written and it's really quite an intelligent piece of filmmaking from the director's part.
ये एग्रीमेंट और डिसएग्रीमेंट एक अच्छी चीज़ है, वो उसको डेमोक्रेसी बोलते हैं हम, लोकतंत्र. तो आई लाइक द फैक्ट दैट वी कैन टॉक, वी आर नॉट, ही नेवर मेड मी फील दैट आई कैन नॉट put a suggestion to him which is against his calling as such. तो वो हम लोग में प्रॉब्लम बिल्कुल नहीं थी. Actually, once you have to work with Mr. Khan to realize how wonderful he is and how much comfortable he can make you in the first meeting itself, so that your whole journey of the filmmaking, of making the film, is very smooth actually, and it's a lot of fun. This film didn't feel like, oh, I'm stressed with work or something. This was just a cakewalk for us, and we actually had a lot of fun making the film.
Pooja sent me a text with a picture of her from Jo Jeeta and a picture of me from this poster and said, "You win, Saif." Sorry, I just had to tell you that. I don't know if you knew that. Look, I want to say something. Then you guys said, you know, Tabu ma'am is a great artist. She's one of the best actors like in the country that there's ever been, okay? So anything she does comes alive, and a good actor is always a pleasure to work with. The screen comes alive. The camera loves her, she loves it, and it's just brilliant all around, you know?